We're the Other Brothers.
Along with Justin Flom, we created the most visual vanish.
You take one object and vanish it into another, and then immediately hand it out. It was so good that Justin Flom actually performed it on a commercial for one of the largest candy companies in the entire world.
Check out Justin performing it now.
I'm Justin Flom, magician. I love Airheads candy. I've already eaten all of mine. It's really good. But how do they get the micro candies inside the gum? Easy. They use the real flavor of Airheads candy. That and a little bit of magic. I know it sounds weird, but it looks like this.
When Justin released that video, everybody thought it was a camera trick. Lay people and magicians.
Look at the comments he got on YouTube. You don't want any more? Right here, remember that card. Pop the deck open, go through one card turned red.
Everybody get close.